They say this dish is not for the inexperienced. It can be tricky, but I dared do it with my harvest. And it was a success, not pricky. Saan nga nagatel, hindi makate. And it was delicious that even the foreign audience enjoyed it. Please join me at the shed. Let's prepare this together. Welcome to Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. It's where I grow, cook, and share. This time, it's Laing, Bicol style, no syrup. Hello, this would be an adventure. I haven't cooked this before. So, let's find out if anyone can do this. Manang Grace and I before did this through the stir-fry method. This time, I'll try, join me, to do it a la Bicol style. No stir-fry. I won't be washing this because they were well protected from the elements inside the shed. But the leaves, I don't know which insects have crawled in them. So, am I going to use this? No, it's no longer tender. So, Mother Grace, I don't know if it's really needed, but some would, or some suggest oiling their hands to because this is, look, it's really, yeah, rubbery. So let's oil our hands for easy washing later. By the way, I've learned this from my mother and Grace. My mother did not cook this because she was always apprehensive that it would be prickly. She even believed that not everyone is able to cook this because it will turn out prickly and it will not be eatable. That's what she believed. I don't know if that's a myth. That's why let's find out if I can cook this while keeping it not prickly. Saan nga nagatil po nada? This is Mother and Grace's way of cooking it fresh. The disadvantage would be it's watery. If we use dried aba or dried stalks and leaves, they will be less watery, and I prefer that. But they can be strong, tobacco-like. So let's do it this way. And I want to show my harvest. That's why fresh. Although I'm considering to dry them. The disadvantage is we don't have the sun, full sun here in my location. So no choice but to cook it like this. You might not believe, cameraman, that this is a fruit or a plant that you can, which you can eat every part of it. The leaves, the stalks, even the tuber, like the potato. And according to history, this is the food that supported the Polynesian culture because it easily grows. It grows everywhere. Or the Polynesian civilization, I should say, not just. Cameraman, does this look like this is edible?
I seriously doubt.
We're done with our vegetable. Only vegetable ingredient. Now the spices. We are generous with ginger. This do it the Bicol way. Look, ginger. I'm not going to peel them. And garlic. And this is how they did it. I think my stove won't support it. I'll do it here. Look, garlic peel separated by itself. Automatic. I like this procedure. Traditionally, people would add aramang or I don't know what it, a shrimp paste to this. I don't have it. And to be honest, I don't like it very much. I don't like it very much. And it's thinking I'll use a better option. It will give the umami taste, or patis or bagoong like taste. At the same time, I think it's equally aromatic, but it's a better option. I'd like to say that. We'll use. Guess what? We'll use. Where is it? We'll use dried squid. Dried squid. Please don't mind my hands, they're still oily from handling the vegetable. As an alternative, we can also grill it. Stovetop. Like that. This is done, but this not yet. That was not the intention. It was just an idea that came. We better fry it. Fry them all. They've caramelized now. I'm going to slice. I might as well do it here. I just have to shred this into strips so that every person will have a good share of the flavor, of the squid flavor. Oh, it's really hot still. Now we can really do the cooking. The spices. We should be generous with coconut milk. Look, this is the concentrated coconut milk. Oh, sorry. It's not just concentrated, it's powerful. Okay. So let's just boil this. And once it boils, I'll add more oil, the oil of the squid. Okay. And let's do some housekeeping here. It's boiling now. Not bristly, but it doesn't harm. I'll add the rest of the ingredients. The precious taro harvest. And there's a myth to this. They say once you've added the taro stalks and leaves, don't mix it. I don't understand, and I don't know the reason behind that. But I will comply. I'm going to cover it. I'm going to cover it. Honestly, I'm apprehensive. I hope this would be edible. This is foreign to my culinary tradition. As I told you earlier, my mother did not cook this. She was always scared it might be prickly. And to be honest with you, I can feel prickles in my hands. Why not there? Oh yes! The areas that were not covered by by oil, here, they're prickly. I think oil will help now, but let's add patis here, or fish sauce. Or better yet, I think I'll add the stronger one, the puro Pangasinan bagoong. I think you didn't see it there. You know, at this point, I think it's cooked now. I mean wilted. So, oh yeah, let's lower the flame. I'm happy it's not wet. The first time Manang Grace and I did this, it was wet. It's now on lower flame. It's beginning to caramelize at the bottom, so I lowered the flame. Would this be edible? Curious? Stay with me. Thank you for staying with me until now. Let's check if this is really edible. It's edible. Really. No pricks. Let's bring it to Manang Grace. Let's bring the corn as well.
Hey, niya dati ang niluto.
Toen zaten we daar op dat terras. Ik denk, ik dacht zo naar elkaar. Ik had dus toen niet vanaf.
Tama. Adaman ng tilapia na.
Ano? Nagzimas.
Sta ik bij het apparaat.
I told you it was a success. If I was able to do it, you too can. Make one today. Thank you for watching and see you on the next videos.